Ma'am Cecil Bravo for the 2 award that you got for today for the Rosa Rizal Award and for the most one of the most outstanding Philippine Empowered Men and Women 2024. Can I get for your reaction and your message that we see your emotion for the cancer patient, that we really feel your help for the needy?
Thank you very much. Medyo naging emotional nga ako kasi syempre sickness yun eh. It's very hard. One cannot say na you feel or you could really know kung anong nararamdaman ng hindi lang yung may sakit eh, yung pamilya. So talagang prayers needed yan. At yung konting na maitutulong namin at ng iba pa, talagang mini-welcome yan. And I really hope in the near future may mas maganda pang plan ng ating government para din talagang matulungan ng mga cancer patients.
So in this initiative po, ano po yung para ma-extend being a businessman, para pa ma-extend yung goodness na ginagawa nyo? Ano po yung message nyo na ma-empowered, kumbaga pay forward yung ginagawa nyo nung iba pang mga successful businessman and philanthropists like you that really have heart for cancer patient and all the sickness, especially being a mother, is yun sa mga sakit po ng mga bata.
Ako kasi naniniwala, Filipinos by nature are good-hearted, we are kind. Kaya bibigyan mo lang sila ng tamang platform, tamang way para sila makakatulong. Kahit gaano pa to kaliit. Lahat ng bagay nagsisimula lang yan sa maliliit, pero lumalaki yan. Kung may magbibigay nga sabi ng piso, di ba? Sinasabi natin, kung marami namang piso yon, milyong piso, sa milyon ang nabuo natin. So start small, pero we can think big. Marami tayong pwedeng magawa, basta umpisahan na natin ngayon na.
Thank you so much for your big support for other brother natin si Richard Hinola for the success of this event, Philippine Empowered Men and Women 2024. And again, Ma'am Cecil, congratulations.
Thank you very much.